I want to. I'm not supposed to come out. Honestly, I do not want to come out, but I just want to set some few records straight. I want to set some records straight. But one thing I know for sure ni pé bí irọ́ bá lọ lógún ọdún, ọjọ́ kan báyìí ni òtítọ́ máa bá. A lot has been going on. Can you please mute yourself? TikTok, I'm pleading. Mute yourself. I will allow you to talk, but mute yourself, please. I'm afraid I'm going to remove you.
About this is people. Everybody will give them.
Thank you, everybody. I want to say thank you, but please help me to share this program. Help me to share it, and see, let's set some records straight. And for all of you, and of course, all of you, I want us to please calm down. A lot of lies has been going on, a lot of narrative has been going on, but one thing I know, and I'll continue to say it, truth is constant. Bí irọ́ bá lọ lógún ọdún, ọjọ́ kan lòtítọ́ máa bá. And those of you who genuinely love what I do, who genuinely believe in what I say and whatever I put out there, and all of you lovers of truth globally, thank you. But one thing I want you to know this night, truth is constant. I am not here to do fracas, but I just want every one of us to reason together. If you like, they can gather and put all sorts of narrative. One thing I know, a day is coming. You see that truth, it will come out. So I thank all of you. Is it your prayer? Is it your love? God bless. God bless Baba. God bless Omoyele Sowore. I don't know what to say. Because injustice to one is injustice to all. And either the devil like it or not, I've dedicated the rest of my life to do what I'm doing now. So ẹni tó bá fẹ́ lọ pọ̀, tó fẹ́ lọ hand the transformer, tó fẹ́ lọ kú, kó tètè lọ kú. Ẹni tó bá fẹ́ hand the transformer, kó lọ kú. I am not a coward. Forget about all the narrative, all the things they are packing together. It will still come and fail. Let's see how long this gang up, let's see how long it's going to last. So I want all of us to calm down. I'm still Mureen. Mo ò ní báyọ̀ kankan ṣe bàjẹ́. All of you that continue to do damage control, carry whatever you want to carry. Let's carry it and see how it will last. But one thing I know ni pé gbogbo yín lẹ máa ṣẹ̀ sí ní kọ̀ọ̀kan. Gbogbo yín lẹ máa ṣẹ̀ sí ní kọ̀ọ̀kan. So let's go straight to the point. I don't want to waste too much of your time. And for all of you, and for you, ẹ̀yin òpònú blogger. Ẹ̀yin òpònú blogger, because I don't know, you don't know my story. For those of you that don't know, the time I spent in Nigeria, I spent time in Nigeria. I always come to Nigeria. Forget whatever the narrative where people are lying. I did not go to Nigeria because of YouTube. Oh. My ticket, I'll post it out. I left London on the 27th of December. I went to my hometown to go and do my charity. For those of you that saw my charity online, I went to my hometown. Can you please mute yourself if you join this live? I don't want to remove anybody. Even if you have anything contrary, stay. I will give you a chance to speak. I went to Nigeria to go and do my charity. I did not go to Nigeria because of YouTube. YouTube was pulled down since when? 2022. So they thought I just went to Nigeria. I normally go to Nigeria. Why should I go? Why should I go to Nigeria because of you? And they said, and Adunni, let me be saying, Adunni said, I told her, can you please mute yourself, Jack? Jack, please mute yourself. I will allow you to speak. Adunni said, I went to Nigeria because of you too. The YouTube they brought down since 2022. I did not go to Nigeria because of YouTube. I went to Nigeria because of my charity and other things I do at home. So people should, let's get those one right. And they did not pay me 15,000 for my YouTube, $50,000. The highest I've ever got from YouTube channel. You see my accounts. I need to get something like my YouTube account is available. I've posted my Facebook for all of you to know from 2024 till date. But my YouTube from 2021 till 2022 when they brought it down, I'll bring it out. I printed it. I'm going to post it. The highest I've ever received on YouTube was $3,000. It was $3,000. You see, why do I have to come out to do this? Because I know there are some people who genuinely love you. Can you help me power tap and share so that other people can listen to it? And it's just to set the record straight. It's not today that blogger has been coming for me. I don't answer them. They are mere distraction. They don't want me to do what I'm doing. So they've try other things as face. So the strategy now is to get blogger to come and I don't do saga. I don't do it. And I don't need it. I did not collect, I never discussed with Adunni that I receive $15,000 every month. It is a lie. I put it to her, it is a lie. And she's a liar. Let her bring a proof out. At least in the conversation, I have all the conversation, and you are going to listen. You are going to see some of our conversation. Sherry, ẹni tó bá ti jẹ́ àgbàyà ẹlẹ́nu méjì, you can't change them. I call Adunni Alabosi, and I will tell all of you the reason why I call them Alabosi, and I stand by it. And God has proved me right. And event has proved me right. So, anybody that wants to insult, but one thing I know, one thing is constant truth. They've been doing this for the past few years. I'm still standing gidigba. I've never come here to change mouth. Even in the face of oppression, in the face of intimidation, I did not give up. Have you ever seen me come here and say something and come back and tell you it's not like that? No! How did I know Adunni? I was on my own. I don't know Adunni from Adams. Adunni came to me. She called me. Can you please mute yourself? Please, I will allow everybody to speak. I don't want to remove anybody. Support me. Support me in any way you can support me. And I said, Karen Kapo, you alone hear me. And I just said, fine. To my greatest surprise, I helped her to do everything that I think I needed to support a sister. I don't normally call Adunni. And I'd like you to all listen to me. Everything she said, let her bring proof now. Shebi, kí là ń pa? And why did I block her off? I was online. I went on Facebook and I met Adunni. and Bisola Johnson discussing about me. I called him. I know me, I said I made 15,000. Some people sick yo. Say the one whether idiots go carry that. I did not say that. Oh, played it to you. Cut and join blogger. Cut and join bloggers. You see that video that idiot carry? That was video of 2020 that I did. That money I was talking about before I came to abroad. Now business woman I be now. Now business woman I be. I did not go to abroad as a poor woman. I have a business that do turnover of about 150 million every month. That was what I was talking there. And it's not a lie. So people blogging kò tí ì bẹ̀rẹ̀ rárá. For God's sake, they don't know my story. Do I put anything out there on social media? They don't know my story. All this rubbish. Gbogbo ilé ìtura dáradára sọ síta tí that one started during Genesis case. I refuse to reply bloggers because they want me to validate all their lies. I ignore. Until Moruko mi. Do you all remember we all have families? We all have people that we grew up together. We all have people that we school together. Which of my stream? I said I made 150 million turnover and it's nothing but the truth. Intercontinental is still there. They will come and stand and wait like this to carry my sales. So what are you saying? It's before that is not for blogging. People should get that. It wasn't blogging. Don't let anybody deceive you. Maybe when I started blogging, when YouTube started paying me, only time now ye. Ola Gray, thank you for the star. I never said I made 15,000 from YouTube. No, I never discussed money with her. And for you to know, let's get to the business. Adunni came to me. She cried to me that their Facebook restricted her view. And I told her, this is not, there's no how they will speak about pastor or do any controversial thing. They will definitely come for you. Then you need a backup page. The cover, people should wait, I beg. Especially those of you on this, what is this? What is this, my people? Please, I need advice concerning my page. This is Adunni here. She came to me. You remember she called me. She said she needed help. And I've been helping her. I helped her to get monetized. I have proof here. I told her to go open YouTube. The YouTube she's using to bully me today. I am the one that advised her and guide her how to do it. Ọlọ́run ló máa fìyà jẹ Adunni. Tó bá ti jẹ́ òótọ́ ló wá sọ lórí Facebook yìí. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà lórí Facebook, ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà lórí YouTube. Ẹ káàárọ̀ ìyá, how are you? This was 14th of November 2021. She came to me. He said, please, I need advice concerning my page. To know how bí Adunni ṣe jẹ́ èèyàn burúkú tó. She had to go and look for some of my admin. Láti lọ àdí as admin. You no concern me. Ojú ẹ̀yẹ tẹ́yẹ fún láì farapa. So a lot of people don't understand what actually going on. So and I told her, go and open back up around this time. You all know of you that follow us. Adunni open backup page. I was the one that told her the posting there that this one doesn't have restriction, you'll be using this one. And she has been, I said there is no how you will talk about pastors that they will not restrict your page. They will report your videos. They will fight you with everything they have. This thing you want to do, get prepared. And that was exactly what I told her. And she did it. Her YouTube, I will show you what happened during the YouTube one. I told her to go and open Restream. I told her, oh yeah, go and do this, how you are going to do your YouTube. Same thing that he's talking about. Let people hear. I told her, this is, he said, you know, the way she lied. Can you please, I'm going to disconnect you anyway. No, I've disconnected that. Oh, sorry, my sister. Sorry, it's not you. Sorry, it's not you. Please rejoin, no. If you know you cannot mute yourself, I'm going to remove you. Please. And the next thing that will happen, this woman, I mind my business. I know they do church. I don't have the time.
Okay. Want to listen to when you are saying it, and they are still talking there.
I'll remove you. Thank you, man. Please, I don't want to remove everybody. Can you please, I'm begging you. Please mute yourself. I will give everybody chance to speak up their minds. And I am open to answer any question. So please mute yourself. She's the one, you can see the next thing she will do. The next thing Adunni will do again, she said, there was a time I told her to go and open her YouTube. I guide her. I put her through. I did everything I'm supposed to do. And I explained to her, I never come to you to tell you what kind of video. I've never. And that is the more reason I will play your voice notes. I will show everybody our conversation from 2021 till when I block you off. I never for one day do you any evil. It was pure love from a sister because I don't know you. You say you want to grow, and I supported you. And Adunni came to me. She brought. You remember Mommy Gio? How many of you remember Mommy Gio's story? How many of you remember Mommy Gio's story, please? How many of you remember Mommy Gio's story, my people? Ogulaye, how are you? How many of you? Yes. Adunni came to me. She brought Mommy Gio's story. She said that lady happened to be a sister. Whereas, I said, where are the evidences? She sent one video to me. And I said, Adunni, Ọlọ́run wá o. And I said, when she brought this Mommy Gio story, Adunni was the one that said she doesn't talk about pastor. Adunni ló bá ayé Mommy Gio jẹ́ lórí bíbá. And at the end of the day, the lady said, Aunty Adugbo ni Adunni. She refused. But this is our conversation. You are going to use Restream. And eventually, this is Restream. This is what I showed. And And he said, and I asked her, this mommy GO thing, he gave me she didn't give me the right information. I did, and I told her, baby, this lady, and I told her, this lady, lórí ọ̀rọ̀ mommy GO, ó lò kì í ṣe bí òun. Ó láǹtí àdúgbò ni ẹ́. Ó ní kó stop. But you went behind. You distributed her case. But to me, I am not surprised. If somebody you call your sister, ìyẹn ní òun ò fẹ́, olóńjìyà yẹn lòun ò jìyà, ó ní àǹtí àdúgbò ni ẹ́. But to my greatest surprise, I understand what you did. I understand perfectly what you did. Mo dẹ̀ gbé wá báyìí, mo dẹ̀ sọ fún ẹ pé wá Adunni bó ṣe rí lélẹ̀. I still help you to do that job. You went and gave it to somebody in America. Ó ń pín káàkiri fún gbogbo blogger ni. And when we got talking, because this house, the issue of, I said, please text me a boy story. This is it. And I'll still post it. Bring your proof out where I told you, say, Sule ń jáwó gbé jáde. You are a liar and a manipulator. I refuse to reply you for 4 years. It's because I don't need fracas. There is no point. There is no point. You said, money please check Sule boy story is going viral already. And I refer you to my page and this lover's page. Bring it out. Voice note. This is your voice note.
Well, you told me my way. My friend, Newton Timothy Taylor was restraint anyway. So
Adunni ẹ ti sọ bí ṣe máa restrain kò dẹ̀ ní da fún ẹ, olórí burúkú ni, aláìmoore, ìka ẹ̀dá ni ẹ́. Kí ló sọ mí?
yóò sí email ọ̀tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀ ni mò ń lò. Then ìkọ́nà àwọn ọmọ mi ló máa ń fún mi lẹ́ẹ̀kọ̀ọ̀kan tó bá rẹ̀ àwọn yòókù mi dẹ́nu lọ́rùn. Wọ́n ní tí wọ́n ní ẹ̀rọ bá mi ṣe, wọ́n ní mọ́mí àwọn ẹ̀ṣẹ̀dí láti ibi iṣẹ́ kí n jẹ́ káwọn sinmi. Sí ibi tó ń bá mi ṣe yẹn, ẹ̀kọ̀ọ̀kan àmì ẹ̀ máa ń ṣe máa ra fọmọ yẹn lẹ̀. Even kìíní monetization support kìíní tán fún mi lórí Facebook ọmọ ẹ̀ ló ṣe wálẹ̀ tí a fi ṣe. Báwo ni àwọn ọmọ ń kọ?
Nigerians, ṣé ẹ ti gbọ́? This was, I will give you the date. This was 10th of December 2021. Cherry alábòsí òní níyì, ó máa tẹ́ ni. And this, I'm not, eléyìí tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ yìí, ó máa ṣẹlẹ́yà ni. Ó ní mo sọ pé èèyàn kan jáwọ́. No, it is a lie. It is a propaganda. Propaganda. Propaganda ni. So, I need you to listen to yourself. I'm not surprised. Ẹni tí ò ń ṣàbúrò ẹ. You go wá sórí Facebook, olábúrò ẹ ni. Ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń ba ayé ẹ̀ jẹ́ ká. Ẹ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń ba ayé ẹ̀ jẹ́ káàkiri. Adunni. Máa kọ̀ sí yàn fò. Please mute yourself. You continue to lie. Jẹ́jẹ́ mi ni mo jókòó mi. And why did I call you alábòsí? What transpired between us? You see all the things you were putting out there just to discredit yourself, not me. Ọjọ́ kan ni òtítọ́ máa jáde. And I've told you, and I'm still saying it, bring out your evidence. You said somebody came to me. Somebody said, I'm asking, ẹni tó bá ní mo gbowó lọ́wọ́ òun kó kí n tó jà fóun, kí n tó sọ̀rọ̀. Why don't bring that person out with evidence? Proof tó fi san 3 million fún mi. Gbé jáde náà. Gbé jáde. The issue of 15,000, there's nothing like that. And I'm going to play that video of that thing. That we're ready to cut it. Oh, sorry. I'll try my best, but I'll continue to speak both English and Yoruba. That's because bó ṣe lè lẹ́nu mi ni mo ṣe ń sọ yìí. Mi ò mọ̀ ẹ́ rí. You know what you have done to me on this Facebook? Mo dá ẹ lóhùn náà. You always ṣé friendship na by force? Is friendship by force? Friendship is not by force now. And for all of you that don't know this woman cook up story, I understand how. I understand Adunni very well. She's on a mission. She's a mission. And she wants to distract me. Bí mo ṣe dúró mo wà mi ò rí ti ẹrù. Mi ò dá ẹ lóhùn láti jọ yìí. Torí pé mo feel pé èmi ò ní jókòó kí n máa pa irọ́. So you want to start saying nǹkan ó ti ń ya continuity. I want to tell those of you that don't gbọ́ mi lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ that are listening to me. Adunni ti ní mental problem. Go and check her. You can see she's sick. Adunni níwà dementia. Only the brain evaluation. You see, when people are sick, ẹ ti rí pé very soon ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí tàsé. Ó ti ń tàsé o. Because ó ní problem. She is bitter. Ó ní dementia. Tẹ́ bá jókòó dáadáa go and check very well. Something is wrong with her. Check her look and everything. You will see. You will see that she's going through a lot. Here's on my test with you. Oh, even voice note. Okay, let me begin to play voice notes. So that they refresh memory. Somebody that came to me. So Adunni sick. Only dementia. Nobody dementia. Also memory failure. She was even lying. That ẹ̀kọ́ pẹ́rẹ́ ló ń pè mí. Adunni ẹ̀kọ́ ló pè mí. What about these ones? Ẹ̀kọ́ pẹ́rẹ́ ló pè mí. When I block you off, kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? For those of you that don't know why I call her Alabosi, why I block her. So ẹ̀rọ Adunni ò jọ mí lójú o. Ẹni tó dá ẹni ò tó sọ pé òun ò believe ní Ọlọ́run. Ta lèmi? So Adunni sick, ó ní mental problem. Wèrè aláṣọ wà. Adunni sick, ó ní mental problem because she came online. Gbogbo ọkọ̀ ń sọ ọ̀rọ̀. Ṣebí o pe rẹ̀ blogger? Bring out evidence. Please bring out evidence. Ibi tí mo ti sọ fún ẹ 15,000 mú jáde. Conversation èmi àti ẹbí tí mo sọ pé èèyàn kan jáwọ́ mú jáde. And for all of you that is listening to me, Adunni is a liar. Adunni did not discuss Otobo with me. Adunni did not discuss Otobo case with me. Why I fell out with Adunni, it was during Ruth Matthew case. And I know some people are here. They understand very well. I came online. I just opened my Facebook and I saw Adunni Abisola Johnson discussing about me. What I did was I had to call, I called in. She picked. All of a sudden, she wants to turn herself to the judge. And I told everybody there, I said, what if you are my followers and you want to hear the truth, please come and listen to the truth on my platform. I am not going to stand here and allow you to be talking trash. And I went back and I did the show. And I explained to everybody. And that was all. Thank you, Lolo Empress. And I forgot about it. The next thing I noticed, Adunni later now came to me and come and see what she wrote and my answer. And my answer, I know they do cho. Any blogger wey say I don't do cho, come on our platform. Let them come out. I stay on my lane. Not because of anything. I dey on my own, not because of anything. And the next thing I noticed that Adunni just say, Mama, ẹ má sọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ yẹn mọ́. Don't talk about Ruth Matthew again. Because, and I said, Adunni, how dare you? You are alábòsí. You talk to me behind closed door. How come you have to put my story out there on Facebook? You saw this place before. Why don't you come to me before going out? And I told her, I say, you are alábòsí. And let today be, have I ever come on your platform to tell you what to do on your platform? You don't come here to come and tell me to drop one story and not to do one story. Torí kọ́ mobile jarun la ṣe ń pè wọ́n ló ṣe ń jórúkọ. You have no rights, and I warn her, and I say you are alábòsí. Never in your life come on my platform. I don't want to speak to you again. And what did I do? I just block her off. And immediately I block her off. I don't talk to her. She came online crying on. The first one she did, she went to be in Alasho Adunni. She went to Olowo Gbogboro. Not be today you don't dey do am. I dey ignore you. When she see anything about me, she will rush out like chicken. Alone. She come online, she say all sort of nonsense. I know they answer her. Because she has been looking to do saga for a long time. I didn't bother to see her. But to my greatest surprise, coming online to come and lie to everybody that I, Mureen, mo gba 3 million lọ́wọ́ èèyàn. I use my money, Adunni. I use my money. Adunni, I work. You don't know anything about me. I don't do buga. I don't post. When you see me on this platform, I come to talk and I go. Do you think I'm hungry? And to that thing that I can see some people are writing rubbish here. Anybody that feel I've done something wrong, let them come out and use their mouth to talk. I never claim that I'm a saint. But for all you care, you are even saying, mobile or Facebook, I am not in a competition with anybody. I am not in any competition with anybody. And can you please mute yourself? And after that incident, I stay on my own. I don't even go near her. I block her off everywhere. I am not in the competition with anyone. I was almost off social media doing my business. For all of you that care to listen, Adunni, I call you a liar and a manipulator. And where you are going to, all your followers will soon know who you are. If I can call you alábòsí in 2022, and the àbòsí you are still doing it, ṣé èmi náà mo ní kó tún lọ bá Rotimi? Àgbàyà ni ẹ́. If you are not àgbàyà, ní máa ṣe chọ́chọ̀ kiri. You don't see what you've done. It's Manuel. I say it, you are alábòsí. No apology for that. Rotimi exposed their life. And I decided to carry it with full chest. You are alábòsí. And why I only reply you once when you want to do damage control. When Doris Ogala and the Damasis want to do damage control, they use you to do damage control because of Ruth Matthew. That was why I came out to speak to you for the first time. And you are doing the same thing now. Welcome. Continue. Welcome. Welcome. Continue. We are gbogbo wa la balùwẹ̀ tó lóun ó dòdò. Ojú wa ni ó ṣe. Mi ò ní nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ sọ mọ́ o. When I came to the US, did I come to you? I was on my own. At least few people were around. And you ó sáré lọ gba seat fún mi, mò ń wò ẹ́. Thank God the video, mo tẹ̀ wá surprise. I didn't know. So the video is snap, ó sáré jù síta. When they send the video to me, I started laughing. Continue your àbòsí. Continue your word damage control. Let's see where it will land you. But I don't want to. Truth is constant. Please, can you mute yourself, please? You see, I will continue to laugh, but I challenge you. Ẹni bá gba tó sọ fún ẹ pé conversation èmi àti ẹni tí mo ti download ẹ síbì kan. You came, you begged me. Mo ń sọ Ọlọ́run, mo dẹ̀ ní it's okay. Let it slide. Mo jókòó tiẹ̀. I mean, that was all. For me to allow you. Ká má rí ni. Affliction will not rise up the second time. I'm not stupid. I want to be your friend. No, I am not your friend. So you call me and say, I want to marry you, I don't want to be your friend. That's why I stay clear. This is what you said.
Hello, báwo ni o? Ṣàlàáfíà ni. I'm just calling to check up on you. Till that daily, I will call you. Since your network is bad. How are you? Fine.
I tried to run away, but you still want to do. You came back and go to the city to tantrum ẹ torí pé mi ò fẹ́ ṣọ̀rẹ́ ẹ. I don't want to be your friend. Please stay on your path. You didn't wait to start asking about my children. To the problem when stay on your lane. Ojú ẹ̀yẹ tẹ́yẹ fò. So for those of you who are the one that is not here, I'll put it on my page. The one that is not here, I'll put it on my page. I don't want by force, because I don't understand. Because ẹ ṣọ́ra fún irú àwọn Adunni asúnmọ́ni farabalẹ̀ bá tẹni jẹ́. You can imagine I'm very bad. She's going to be another thing. She will have come out and be spreading nonsense. Because I know them. I know them from afar. So I'm not surprised. Drama. You are even telling them you have something that you used to name me, that they used to send me today. All the information you have, all the things you have, don't just talk. Bring them out. Èmi ò ráyè tiẹ̀ o, àwọn kan ti ṣe. No, she did not talk to me about Otobo. It is a lie. It is a lie. It was Ruth Martin's case that she never discussed any Otobo with me. It is a big lie. I'm going to bring you. If you can't put yourself, I'm bringing you down. This person. I'm telling you, Adunni. Adunni, the first time she will come to me to talk about this issue, she never discussed Otobo with me. And besides, Otobo story was a viral story. We never discussed about Otobo. And for you to be telling me, even for you to be telling me, you You talk to me, Onironi. You are even telling me, how can you come and advise me on what to write, what not to write? Don't you come by the diary? Not saying someone on corner. My relationship with you never passed the level of Mofe Obai, and I give it to you. I am not your friend because I know you are a liar. Because in Toba Tin ṣe ṣọ́ tó ti ń ṣe ṣọ́ṣọ̀ṣọ́ èèyàn mo máa ń sá fún. I don't want drama. I saw it coming. And even when Sister Africa came to me, start begging for you. Money, this woman, she's a green snake under the green grass. Oh. Alábòsí Adunni o. I don't want trouble. I want to stay on my own. Ẹni tí o ò ṣẹ̀ tó ń bìrù ẹ. You will go and say another thing outside. You go and say another thing now. Keep your advice to yourself, please. Some of you keep your advice to yourself. I'm not a baby. Ẹni tí o ò ṣẹ̀ tó ń bìrù ẹ. What does that tell you? You will come to the inbox to say another thing. You will go online to do another thing. I don't two-face. I don't mingle with anybody that can begin to don't dàbí ariwo. I don't need it. And I stay on my name. That is why you don't see me moving from platform to platform. I don't do it. I am one woman battalion. You all know me. So people coming online to believe her as your own whatever. But I am challenging her that she's Alabosi. And the reason why I call her Alabosi and she has to display Alabosi yẹn, ìwọ yìí ló máa sọ ìwọ ló máa sọ another thing. Those of you that want to make your, if you want to call in, you are free to call. You know my number. Those of you on TikTok, if you want to talk, my number is +44 7884 958064.
Mureen, you know I'm gonna talk.
Susie.
Right, because what is making a pit?
Susie, don't use that word. Please.
No, I know you want to say you have it.
Please, I beg you. Please.
We have Adishi, if I'm not calling it right. If you have something to say, kindly unmute. Sorry, I need to cheat something. We have to be careful of curse words because we will get struck by TikTok.
Yeah.
So please, let's mind our words. All right, say anything, say it in Yoruba. Don't say ELOO. Don't say KILL. Okay. Don't say CRY. Okay. You can say them in Yoruba. Don't say them in English. Don't say instead of KILL, say on my life or fight. Okay. If you want to say DLOO, they just say you know. Don't, and if you want to say CRY, don't say okay. Don't say that in English. Thank you. Thank you. Real talk with me. Thank you. So if Adish is not here, let's go to Tokumbo. Tokumbo, is it there? Is Tokumbo there?
Cool.
Okay, Adish is right here. Okay.
Oh, thank you.
Welcome.
Oh, thank you very much. Good evening.
Yeah.
I don't want
to dwell on one issue. I don't want to. I have.
Please, can we moderate it? Don't interrupt. Let's do it one by one. I'm ready to answer. Whatever your question, if it's necessary for me to answer, if it's not going to, if I need to answer, I will tell you. Or if I can't answer, I'll tell you the reason why I can't answer.
No, Sister Mureen, actually, I don't.
you know, if you look at people, all these things you are explaining about the woman, if you look at people, you will understand that this is how these people are. When you look at it, you will understand that this is how they are. I think people that have been in touch before, they are the pastor. All these people that will come and tell you that this pastor is wicked, this pastor is good, they have been worked with this pastor before. My husband is in this pastor. You will discover that many of them, they are more dangerous than those pastors.
You are correct.
You understand? So I'm not surprised in any of all these things. I'm not surprised in all these things that she's saying. But I just wanted to tell you welcome because I'm very happy to see you.
Thank you very much, sir.
I've been worried since.
We thank God. We thank God.
And there was I don't know if it's something I'm supposed to say, but I don't know, there was a misinformation. I don't know whether if it's a misinformation or
tell me now if it
you with money.
That is a lie. I traveled to Nigeria and I'm telling you, it is a big lie. And I'll tell everybody now, please, I don't want to talk. I went to Nigeria on the 27th of December. Can you please mute yourself? I've been going to Nigeria. I've been going to Nigeria for a long time. At times I spent 3 months. You see, these bloggers, the most of them. I went to Nigeria on the 27th of December. This thing happened on the 6th of February. I went to go and do my charity and other things I need to do. Nobody love me with money. It is a lie. The only wrong you go on. Oh, my mama wà lù. Ẹ má mà dá wọn lóhùn. Oh, my mama wà lù. Wọ́n wá sọ pé ó fo owó wo. On top of how much? Am I poor? I'm not poor. Ṣé bí pa mí ni? No. Now today I dey go Naija. My friends are here. Now you remember I posted one video when we're going to my farm. Kò dẹ̀ ní dá fún ìwọ tó sọ pé instead of me to keep quiet for what? Kí ni mo ṣe tí mo máa keep quiet? Kò ní dá fún ẹ, dá fún àwọn tó rán ẹyin iṣẹ́. Ẹ̀yin ṣì èrè ni keep quiet for who? Ṣé ọkọ máa parọ́ kí n keep quiet? Àbó ló ṣì lélẹ̀ tó wá sí instead of mo ní spoil on me. Nobody.
Hello, can I talk?
Go ahead.
Issue is that Mr. Mureen, please don't be worried about what you.
No, we're getting random, please.
Start for Santo. Not Santo. You know, you see all these people. She might be here. She might even be the one using fake account to comment. So I don't want you to allow them to now pressure you and make you feel. I'm just happy that I'm looking at you now, Seth.
Thank you very much, sir.
Understand? I'm just happy that I'm seeing you now. That's those things. So I don't want to delay people. People have more things to talk about.
Right, thank you, Mr. Adish. Next we have Madam Wuraola, do you have something to say? On mute, please.
Yeah, Mr. Mureen, I just want to say it's nice to see you back.
Same here, ma. Good evening. Èmi náà miss everybody. I miss everyone. Honestly, I miss everyone.
That's all. Thank you.
God bless you, ma.
All right, next we have Tokumbo, Madam Tokumbo. You're next to talk. Please unmute. Madam Tokumbo, are you there? All right, now let's move to Suzireti. If she's not there, let's move to Suzireti. Suzireti, over to you.
Because I know that. Let me remove some people. Babe.
Mureen.
Babe, they hear me.
I'm going to say this, right? Anyone.
Yes, I am.
Anyone.
Can you hear me?
Adunni.
Suzireti, please hold on. She's back. Let her just quickly say what she wants.
Just to sit on, Joe, because I need to leave where I am.
Yes. I just want all this to stop. Please, Maureen, please. I know we love you, but please, I want this to stop.
Okay, that's fine,
Thank
sister.
you, bye.
Thank you very much. Thank you for your advice. God bless you.
Mureen, I'm gonna say this because I feel part of me feels that I started all this drama with Adunni because I was the one that called her out. And the reason why I called her out was because I knew what she had done to Maureen, right? And for her to come online, she knows that Maureen has grown-up kids, and then you come online and you're like, well, what's going to happen to her kids? I'm worried about her kids. Can somebody call her kids? You know that this woman has adult kids, so you're throwing shade indirectly. The next thing after that, you come online and you show some video of some man accusing Maureen of arranging the assassination of Suleiman. What type of nonsense is that? How can you tell me that you are supporting this woman and you are making those suggestions? Are you like,
I shape mom. You don't speak Yoruba.
Maureen, no, Maureen, you know me now. If I don't know,
I know.
Listen to this show, this woman's show. But the day she sent me the video of one silly man trying to connect you with the assassination of Suleiman, I knew that this woman is not okay upstairs. Anyway, she looks like she's dying. Someone told me that she's dying anyway, but she looks like she's dying anyway. But I don't give a damn. But at the end of the day, don't come online.
Susie, Susie, leave her. One thing I know for sure is truth is constant. Let them be saying all sort of. You see, they are crying that I cyberbully them, but they sent out blogger to be sending wrong messages to cyberbully Mrs. all these days. Have I ever answered anybody?
Wait. Maureen, wait, you have never answered this woman, I know. But this woman came to you when she saw you online doing well.
Yes.
And was like, oh, please, can you help me? You see me, Maureen, you know me 100% how I roll. You won't stab your friend in the back. This woman has helped you not once, not twice.
A model's age, 353 billion, 890 million.
Your camera. What I did,
I'm live, but do you want to talk?
See her post. Oh God, Maureen is out.
I'm fine. I'm doing great. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, dear.
Why would she not come out and celebrate you since she was so concerned?
Because she's a bitter woman.
Inside.
She is bitter.
Exactly.
Something is eating her up that she doesn't tell anybody. And I saw it. Immediately I saw her bringing her drama, I just blocked her off. And I know all her tantrums.
Wait, Maureen. Now she has teamed up with Jono Show. What is that about? You guys tell me.
It is a damage control strategy. You see, if you don't know this woman, you will continue to feel she's somebody. Somebody that came online that brought glory for Ghana, and she knows the story. When the truth came out, she brought us the Ghana and the other masses to come and do damage control. She's a woman of no integrity. Forget about all these packaging.
Maureen, can I ask you? I'm going to ask you two things, right?
Go ahead and ask me that. You know, I will tell you.
The Doris Ogala situation was going on, and Doris Ogala admitted to hiding the baby testimony disappearance. Did she ask at any point of time, where is baby testimony?
She said it's not consigned. Her platform is for everybody.
She's meant to be a mother, and it no concern her. One, that's the first one I wanted to ask you. The second one I wanted to ask you is, there was a time that this same Jonah Osho idiot was abusing her. Now she's bringing him on her show to wait.
You see, Yoruba. Let me answer your question. You see, Yoruba. I know you understand Yoruba. Very soon, trailer will pass through. Oh my God, go and write it down.
Wait.
Wait, that one hard, small. What does that mean? That one tough.
What I'm saying is, you see this church that put them together because they want to change the narrative. They want to discredit their life. They want to say Mureen is lying. She's doing everything because of money. They put themselves together. God will scatter them. Said, although they will surely gather, their gathering is not of God.
Wait, Maureen, I want to tell you, I was on her show, the one show that I've attended that this woman done. And Amos came up. If you see how excited this
As you see, Susie, what I've done for Amos, and I say it here, everybody should hear. Let Amos come out. Let Amos himself come out to come and say it. Whatever I do for Amos, may God pay me and my children back. Chicken.
Amen.
I don't know Amos from Adam. Let me get everybody that is listening a little one.
That grandma.
You see Amos thing. You see Amos thing. I've said something. You see me. I don't use my hand like this to build a house and come and dismantle it. That is why you see anybody that I bring on my platform that have helped in the past, even when they misbehave, I don't come online to come and start attack them. No. Go and check my record very well. Even when Otobo misbehaved, I ignore her. Because when they went to go and pay Otobo to come and do drama, what did I do? I was just looking. But eventually, when David Ogana was scattering everything, she sent me all the things that happened behind closed doors. How they paid Prof S to use that one to attack me with Otobo's case. What did I do? I ignored them. See, Amos own. Let Amos come out to use his mouth to come and say what I did to him. And then I will come out with evidence. I will come out for how much I spent. Starting with his organ for how many years. I thank God I took Amos and his wife and their daughter to London. When Amos was born, he said they want to kill him. For one, even they brought on my YouTube channel. After they were able to raise for Amos on this cyberspace was $5,000. That 5,000.
What did you spend on him?
I spent close to 20,000 on Amos. Even the ticket to carry wife, carry Pikin, and himself to London. We are all living in London now. And Amos,
wait,
how did he get late? I bought his ticket twice. I bought his ticket. I think even the case I have now. It was true, Amos. He will never see better if he use his mouth like this, say anything bad about me. I don't know from Adams.
Wait.
You don't know Amos. And you see the idiot that is talking. You help on your platform.
Nobody.
People have given 500,000 on my platform. People are giving money as being on my platform. People have raised money for Armenia on my platform. I am in my village.
Please, don't say this.
I'm sorry.
In my village, I've been doing charity in the last 7 years. I know how much I spend on charity. I don't make noise. I don't come online and be saying, I don't show off. I am not hungry, Nigerian. I'm not hungry. When they even said that, it has finished for her, concern me. Because I know they buga. So they said I'm hungry, but God is blessing me, Nyako. When they gathered to pray, when they were cursing me, that was when God, the gate of right for me. So why should I go there?
I know.
So,
Maureen, wait.
Either they like it or not.
Maureen, no.
Either they like it or not, God is on my side. Digiga. I'm not suffering.
Amen.
So, Amos said, let Amos bring it up. Amos, when I have to help Amos to Rwanda. Amos did not work for one day. Amos has it with wife. I paid rent. I fed him. I have proof. That I spent every month. So, everybody talk to me is not Amos. I let him bring it on. You're going to let him go back there. He said it here. The reason that I do to Amos, God pay me and my family back. Finish. You, I speak to no. Nigerian, Amos, when he got to Rwanda, he cannot even come out. I have to pay a ticket for one to go to Kenya to go and get visa. To transport Amos from that place and his wife back to Nigeria again. And at the end of the day, they came to do everything, biometric and everything before they going back to us. When he was going twice, ticket twice, there is some evil forces that is after him. But I stood my ground. I said, yes, I must have. So what else do you want me to do? Now, I don't know him now. You don't know him from Adams. You came to me online. And I'm asking Adunni that he's talking. Of all the people that you, how many things have you done for people that come to your platform?
So Maureen, she won't get to me. Was last she was on her show, and for the first time, I was watching her show because somebody sent the link to me. Now, once she was on the show, next thing, have people that were on that show can testify if I'm lying. Next thing I heard her say, oh my God, Amos is here. Oh, Amos.
That is the meaning of Alabosi. That is the meaning of Alabosi, and Amos is the number one ingredient. Let him bring this. Amos, become us. I don't know you from Adam. Did I take on your money? How much did I spend on you? Thank God, your money is on GoFundMe is there. I'll go and bring it out and I'll bring receipts. But because I don't want, because you see, when you are an ingrate is an ingrate. It's because I refuse. I can't continue to come online to come and talk about somebody I've helped in the past. I'm not the one that helped them. God give me the privilege to just use me as a vessel. So why should I come online? When you're a human being, you can misbehave.
Sorry, Maureen, can you see somebody that wrote, and she was like so excited that it, Maureen, press your marriage. Can you come up? Can you come up? She was so excited. Maureen, I have to go. But
She said, "Oh, said that cross and marriage. Let the person come out. Let's dig it out."
You see the suffering that is showing on your face. That is how it is showing your life.
Amen.
You don't look like a happy person at all.
Because she's bitter.
A very sad, B-I-C-H. Huh? I'm finished, Maureen.
Okay.
Afterwards,
I don't know. Pick the next person. Thank you, John.
Thank you. Thank you. So real talk with me. Real talk with me. Over to you.
Oh, thank you.
Okay. I will.
Madam, we are doing it accordingly, please. No, please. Real talk with me. Over to you. Then after that, madam, you can talk. Thank you.
Thank you. I was the second person to come on board.
I know.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Empress. Sister Mureen.
My sister, how are you? How are you? I love you too.
So much. You know, what happened is that if you remember from the beginning, I started following you since 2018.
I know.
When that Genesis show came up and, Otobo. So I later followed up and know about Otobo story. You made me to know about Otobo stories. And one thing I found out about your channel is that something I always hold on to was like, truth is always constant.
Jeez.
Every lovers of truth is always constant. And I began to observe you and see the way you do your show. And then first thing I saw in you was how you try to protect your victim. To protect the victim. You secure their protection first before you will bring the evidence online. So everything was going on fine till Ruth Matthew came. And then in 2020, when you were doing mountain of frustration, blah 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 issue, then that was when Sister Fuka Shekun called him in the show. So we knew Sister Shekun. Then I found out that Sister Shekun was a child of God. Then we followed her page and we started listening to her. that was how we know them. Then Ruth Matthew case came up. I was following it live back to back. And I saw the role you played. You were the one that made us to know the whole truth. What was happening in Ruth Matthew case. And at the time, I remember when they were saying, when the propaganda was going on, Professor was doing a lot of things, and they started saying that it's because of Nicodemus was talking about, because of, I was following Nicodemus' story. Remember that how you protected Amos, how you did everything. Adunni, you are bad. Adunni, you are wicked.
Can you please help us power tap?
Tí bá ṣe pé àgbẹ̀yà ni ẹ́, mo ti máa ń rí wọn because mo true yín náà ni mo fi follow Amos. I follow Amos lórí Facebook and on YouTube. I bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí follow Amos lórí títí yín because of you. And it was even because of you. I followed Adunni. I don't know her from anywhere. It was because of you. We followed her because of that Ruth Matthew case. Thinking that gidi kan ni o, abiyamọ ni o. Àmọ́ woman yìí, from beginning lèmi tí mo bá alábòsí ni tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀, mo ti mọ̀ pé alábòsí mo ń sọ fún mo ní bigotry ni ẹ́, alábòsí adẹ̀ ni mi máa ń comment sórí page ẹ̀ ń bẹ̀. I know they hide am. Mo máa ń comment pé alábòsí ni ẹ́. Èèyàn máa ń balance sí tọrọ ní, wàá jẹ́ kọ́rọ̀ ẹ̀ kó wà balance, wàá wà subjective, wàá dẹ̀ wà objective at the same time. But you want here, wàá fẹ́ suit kí every comment kó suit narrative don't push. Àdẹ̀rọ̀lá bá lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn, nítorí ẹ̀fí rí Fúnfúnláyè kó a lot of your followers was because when they were saying that social media living jẹun, at a time you left social media. You left. If you had not excused yourself from the stage, who is Adunni? No, who is she? Kò lè know what I know now. You help a lot of people. Kò lè know what I know. Kò lè know what I know. The effort doing this your work, investigative journalist, kì í ṣe just ordinary blogger. Yeah, you're like gbogbo wa ṣáà lè máa support evil kákan máa wù kákákẹ́, and you took it upon you without anyone paying you. You spent a lot of money. And gbogbo wàhálà tẹ ṣe lórí bẹ ṣe gbé Amos kúrò ní ilé Sùlẹ́lẹ́. Ṣé òun lè ṣe rẹ̀ ni kò lè take risk?
Ọjọ́ ti ẹbí ẹ̀yọkàn ló ti mú lọ bí àwọn èèyàn rádaràda. Ṣé ẹbí ìfi ẹyọkan níbo ló wà? Àwọn aláìní sì ju èèyàn.
I didn't even expect her to even allow Amos to comment. Nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ̀ lè ṣe nìyẹn. Síbí ẹlẹ́dàá yín wà bíbá yìí. Lè ṣe rẹ̀ láyé.
My sister, can I share something with everybody that is listening to me today? When Adunni, Oluwalo, and Rotimi case, movement people called me that they come and tell me, I recorded them. I'm saying it live. All of them, they came to me. They said, this one said, hey, all those things you are hearing outside, I heard it first. It's more than 2 hours. All of them, we did a conference call. They said all sorts of things. They wanted me to go out and start talking about what happened. I did not. I did not come out. I did not even come out to mock him. I'm saying it live. You know, I refuse to join issues because Koshemi, I was just trying, but when you go at that time, they were put the wrong road. So that is a typical example of Endobafe Jof Alabosila Adunni ni Ojiso before to come out and share Amos. So Lord anybody where is around. If you push me, I'll bring your wife live. If you push me, I'll bring your wife live. I don't care. Give me tell by day. Have I ever been to your house? No. Anything what else do you want from me? Am I your family?
Adunni.
I'm not your family, Amos. I'm not your family. I refuse to talk, but people are putting hand in my mouth. And yes.
Lórí àyà ó ní Mureen fi Amos London owó.
London owó àṣà o. Báwo ni bẹ́ẹ̀ fi Amos London owó? Amos London owó. Amos London owó.
As soon as tí wọ́n ti arrest Sister Mureen, as soon as tí wọ́n sọ pé wọ́n arrest yín, ọdún Sister Funke post ẹ̀ wò wọ́n kí ló fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ báyìí. The next thing báyìí, Adunni tó ṣáàtì ni.
Ṣèbó dúdú ni ẹ̀tẹ̀ni tó dé láàrin. And then let me tell everybody, prison is nothing. You can't be an activist, you can't be a true sayer in Nigeria without going to that place. And I went there for a purpose. I went there for a purpose. And I will use the remaining part of my life to fight for justice, to fight for truth. I'll continue to do it. I'll continue to still do it. Mi ò rán yín. So, if you think prison, ṣé ìyà ń jẹ mí ni? Àbí bẹ́ẹ̀ mi ti àbí mo kàn wọ̀ wọ́n. Ewé fi ẹ̀dùn nílẹ̀ olóṣù yìí.
Ó ṣe dáadáa o. Adunni àgbàyà ni ẹ́ o. Àgbàyà ni ẹ́. O tún fara ẹ wọlẹ̀ ní gbogbo ta rò pé all of you were on the same. We were skeptical about you.
Ẹ mọ̀ pé alátẹnujẹ we always gala ẹ̀rọ tí God wà lórí péjì ẹ̀. Hey, they will bring my baby down. I don't want to do this one. I don't want to do this one. Mo kàn wá wò. You can't be an activist and be waiting for Facebook money. You can't be àwọn tó make owó lórí Facebook. They will not, there are some things they will not say because they will guide their page. They will guide their page. But ìwọ eléjì ni ẹ́, eléjòbìnà ni ẹ́. Ṣebí you said it that time. Only hey, Sister Mureen, hey, we are going to. Mureen is doing GoFundMe. We are going to stop her. She can't do anything. Money way. Mo ṣe wá jáde fún ọ tó pé mò ń ṣe business kò ní dáa fún ẹ. So me, you think say me I dey fear you.
So now ẹ tún wo kéèsì Ruth Matthew.
Ìgbà jáde wá ṣe damage control. Ó ṣe damage control fún Doris Ogala.
Ẹ máa gbọ́ ìgbà tó interview Dadamassis. Inú wọn bí mi pé báwo ló ṣe máa interview Dadamassis? Ṣé mo mọ̀ pé Dadamassis ṣiṣẹ́ fún Baba J ni? Kí ni reason tó ṣe máa interview ẹ̀? Now ó wá ń béèrè bó ṣe ń béèrè question. Ó béèrè pé ó dá Chioma Johnson lóhùn pé kí ló dé pàtó mọ̀ pé Ruth Matthew àtàwọn pípé yìí ní problem. Kí ló dé tó ṣe refer Ruth Matthew sí Dadamassis again kó béèrè owó lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀? So inú ṣá ń bí wọn wípé ẹ tún padà gbé Ruth Matthew and mo ní láti commend yín fún nǹkan tẹ́ ṣe. You are just like the same thing tí fún Sister Funke àṣekúṣe náà nìyẹn. Nígbà tí Àpèjì tó mess up, she came out and told the fans the truth. Our page is called The Moment of Truth. Your page is always talking about truth is constant. And it's about the fact if you don't want truth, then don't come to this page. Don't come and listen to them. If you want to believe lies, then go to Adunni Ẹlẹ́nu Ṣípòtì olójúlógórógó àgbàyà ukuru pilisi. Go to our page and listen to that and rubbish.
Asking you, Adunni, if you didn't do anything, why were you begging me in Baltimore? Go and watch that video. Why to be begged in Baltimore? I told you straight up because it's a drama. I told you everything that you did and you begged.
Trying to preach to preach a month. Adunni Oyaka. Adunni Ìkànnì Daleru dànù rújẹ nìyẹn. Bó lè ṣe yẹn, Ọlọ́run fún àwọn ọmọ ní ìyàwó bíi ti tiẹ̀, èèyàn bíi tiẹ̀ lọ́nà máa fáwọn ọmọ ẹ̀. Ìkà, ìyá ṣe òṣì o.
Mo bẹ̀ yín ni ẹ bá mi dìbò fún Ọmọyẹlé Sowore o. Mo bẹ̀ yín ni o. My true follower. Ẹ bá mi dìbò fún Revolution. Ẹ bá mi dìbò fún bàbá mi. My brother. Ẹ bá mi dìbò fún o.
Ìṣípòtì ìkà opposita ó lè sọ̀rọ̀. Adunni lọ tún ìwà ẹ ṣe. Ìwà burúkú ni ìwà tó ń wù. Ìwà tó wù yẹn ò dáa. Ó ń sọ wípé torí Mureen marriage
she crashed.
It is a lie. It is a lie. How? See that the lady is alive now. Ìyàwó Amos wà alive now.
Ó fẹ́ mọ kó tó fẹ́ ṣe, ó fẹ́ gbé ọ̀rọ̀.
No, it's just a distraction.
No, ó fẹ́ fọ̀rọ̀ Amos pawó again so that kó pitch orúkọ orí àwọn èèyàn kó forí orí àwọn èèyàn parapọ̀. Ẹ̀yin náà ti máa ń gbọ́ pé kò sí ọ̀tọ̀ bá wá láti polygamous family. They struggle so much to be accepted.
They saw this.
She always say it.
Mary. Ẹ tó pàdé èèyàn lórí Facebook láàrin ọ̀sẹ̀ kan ó lọ ṣe márẹ́jì. Òpònú àgbàyà ó sọ fẹ́mi pé òun smart. Mo ní o smart. Ó fẹ́ mi gbọ́ bá ẹni. Sísà mi yí ẹ̀dá o. Thank you very much. Oh yeah,
All right, Madam Maureen.
Yes.
So today I'm so excited.
My sister,
it's great
I
you can
know.
bear me witness
I
whenever
know.
I'm off, whenever I'm around.
I know. God bless you.
Like, oh, Sister Maureen, what's happening? To God be the glory. Now, Sister Maureen, way back, because it's been a very, very long time, I saw Adunni's what's it called, her page, right? But way back when I was an admin to her, I noticed some things, and you remember.
Let the people know. You know the genesis of how you got to her, what you were to my page.
Okay, so I've always been a pioneer member of GIO TV, and I was one of the admins. So I think I got to know Adunni on GIO TV. Yeah, she was always there. And when she opened that page too, I did go. Some of us were always, always there until I became an admin. But at the time, she started well. She was we were always talking like about normal, what's it called? But she has never spoken ill of you. That I would say. Do you understand? But when I saw she fell for, the other day I asked you, I reached out to you, I said, who is one Oliroti?
It's Wura. It's Wura.
I don't know her, but that Oliroti has come to me too. Remember one time you were treating Oyedepo's case, right?
Yes, he's the one coming to talk about
Oyedepo. On your page, she knows it all. It was that same way this lady, I will tell you, the part me I know. Yeah, I felt that Adunni fell because she started well. All this one they say she started calling, but she has always told us too that she was a victim, how she became a widow and the redeemed pastor treated her bad, right? So we all follow that too because we know you were all against pastors. Now, that lady, she allowed that lady to penetrate into her because that lady knows everything. Even when they were treating Toby's case then, she will always go at the point, me being an admin, I feel uncomfortable. There must still be everything, like Mama Lasisi, everything you know. Every genesis of Oyedepo, Abioye, the Canaan land, everything. So I became irritated because people that talks too much, the red flag for me. So there was a time I asked you, I said, Sister Maureen, this lady, she's not the way you see. Give her arm's length. And I want Adunni way back too. But like maybe you're jealous or maybe you see because you're an admin, way back. But if they ask me, you see, that lady caused some of this. She's an adult. She should be able to decide for herself. But allow that lady penetrate into her. And if you ask me, I'll say, the rift between you and Adunni, Adunni, that lady caused it. Same things you don't know.
She's the same thing. She's the same thing as Akorokona.
The person, but her name used to be Oliroti, even on
that's Oliroti. Her name is Wura. Her name is Wura.
Okay, so I don't know. So please, that's it. And it's so unfortunate that she allowed social media to take over her
and start deviating from the truth, because me, it's been a very, very long time, over years now, I've not followed that page because I've been away. That on that. Sister Mureen, welcome back on
Thank
board.
you.
I am so happy.
Thank you.
Okay, so next, let's have Morolaye, could you unmute and speak, please? Morolayo, sorry.
Morolayo, Sister Loyo, Egbo Yoruba now.
Morolayo, I'm sorry.
Well, that's okay. That's okay. Auntie Mureen.
Good evening, ma.
How are you? Glad
I'm
to
fine.
see you. You
Same
know,
here.
like longest time, when I come on your show, I call you Woman Battalion. And you know, when I saw that, saying in Nigeria, I was broken down.
My
I'm
God.
one of your biggest fans. I was broken down. I'm like, why did she go to Nigeria? Hey, Mbappe, why did she go? But I'm so happy to see you back and sound. That's why I just came up just to say I'm glad to see you.
Same here.
We love you.
I love you too, sis. Thank you.
Immerse you with the blood of Jesus.
Amen.
Sorry, can I say? We're glad to see you. God bless you. Okay.
Sorry, can I say Maureen has been going to Nigeria since. She just came back. She came back because
I didn't know. I'm like, no,
since now.
In Nigeria, truth is big.
Then,
they do. I'm like, I was so scared, but glad to see you back alive. I'm so happy.
Thank you, ma.
My babes is good. She's strong.
Oh,
my babes is
my one woman battalion. One by one day back. God bless you.
Thank you.
Mute.
Auntie Mureen. Goodness, God bless you. Glad to see you back. I do Baladolo.
Thank
so
you.
I just came up to say
thank you, ma. Thank you, ma.
Glad to see you back.
Thank you, ma.
Thank you, Morolayo, Madam Morolayo.
God bless. I appreciate that. Thank you for the opportunity. Thank you.
So the next person we have is Mercy. Madam Mercy, if you're there, kindly mute.
Good evening, Sister Maureen.
Good evening, ma.
We are so happy that you are back. My sister calling me, have you heard? Have you heard? Have you heard? I told her I've not heard anything. But this evening, I just share your page to her. I believe she must be at work. She would have joined. So grateful to God that you are back. Welcome back, Sister Maureen. We love you.
I love you too.
We know, at times people don't talk, but they know the truth. When all these things happen, this lady brought out your story. We went to her page, we listened to everything she said, but that connection is not there.